Yes, job blessing, good morning, my people them. Blessing, good morning to my people them. Yes, man. La bigs they are gonna make a tour in the morning. So I go on Yaad. Check on some plants, you know. Yeah, man, and do some cleaning up. So do you, my people? Yes, man. I have Hot Wheels for my van and people. Yeah, man. I don't know nothing, go there. He said to love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. Yes, man. So I go on now, man, with my plants, them my people. Okras. See what I'm talking about here, people? See, we have a bug there. I run, I have to come off of that. Yes, man, so I run to okra tree, my people, I understand? Bush burn long and my people, see it there? I don't know, say. Farming time. Yes, my people. Outside, you know, my people. Yeah, man, I go and check my plants, you know. Yeah, man. Check some plants. See what's going on with these banana trees. Oh, wait, my people. Oh, banana, them want clean up. Weed up them banana. People. Banana, they want clean up, people. Yeah. Banana, they want tree, my people. So, pepper. Man, banana. And the root all clean up, you know. So many things, people, to do. You have to make yourself occupied, you know. As the mother say, who are gonna do it for you? You have to do it for yourself, my people. You understand? Come on, get up and keep going. Here we have a guava tree. Yeah, we have a guava here, but it's not ready as you see. Green. This is guava. Yeah, man. How are you? I'm feeling fine and yes, Jah. Blessing, good morning to my people. I'm out there. Yes, man. Big up on yourself, people. One love me. Still a chant Yaad, because Yaad big in my people, could I? You see that? See me horse wait beside and I blew them, my people. You see it? See you road out there, so when I see some of them far down in the yard, my people. Yeah, man, I keep going. See it, my people. Yeah, man. In the yard, I jump some mango, they grown. See it, my people. I'm gonna fall off a tree and a spoil. Well, what to do? I have blended enough, eat enough. Mother Nature still my people, so I have to go back to the earth, you understand? Yeah, man, mango, I bought my people. Mango up in a tree, said, you know? Yeah. Wish some people were here who don't have any mango to get some, but better days ahead, you know? Yeah, my people. So my game fall, I go on with that now. See, we have a one game fall in a cover. See, yeah? One game fall, all bush. I take over, huh? See that? Wanna go fight? Not yet. See, we have some small mangoes here. This is the one that I call fine skin. See that? Yeah, man. Ain't gonna eat no mango. I feel for no mango now. No time for that shit. Yeah, man. Each by the foul cup, we have a foul cup to the people. Yes man, they lock up. Because the market kinda slow you know through the car and things so. You know bother put him at no foul let me people. See it? There's a foul cup. You have the pans there and there is very dark so you ain't gonna see so good. Yeah but you know, see what's going on here. Some sugar cane. Sugar cane, sugar cane, sugar cane. You need to clean up my people. They wanna clean up. Yeah man, they wanna clean up. See that? Sugar cane there. These ones are not fit as yet. Young. So we ain't gonna cut that. See? Banana, banana. We have a banana there. Oh shit, the bush wanna kill it. Well, I'm not gonna let the bush kill my food. So I'm gonna kill the bush. Yes, people. I'm gonna kill the bush. I'm gonna kill the bush. Not gonna make the bush kill your food. If the bush take over your food and kill it, especially in this time now. Oh no. See that? Sugar cane. Yeah, people. Sugar cane. Sugar cane, sugar cane. Sugar cane. Yeah, man. See what's... You know, people, you have to get up and do something in your home, you know? Yeah, you can. You have to find a little time to do other stuff too. Yeah, you have to do a little of everything in your home. Because no one is gonna do it for you. Yeah? I mean, people can do it for you. Who know these plums? They are not ready as yet. See? Small plums. Yeah, we call them coolie plum. I don't know what some people call them, but we call them coolie plum. This is the leaf. So see? This is what the leaf like. Yeah, people. Yeah, man. Push. Okay. Clean around the sugar cane. Make them grow fresh and nice when you do that. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. See, you have to be careful in here. See this one, people? This one is very big and nice. Yeah. Sugar cane, sugar cane. Okay. You have more there coming up. Yeah, sugar cane, sugar cane. Sugar cane, sugar cane. Yeah. You have some over here too, people. Sugar cane everywhere. You have one on the ground there. Yeah. The very big one there. Yeah, man. Very big one. And there's a small one. Still growing. Yeah, my people. Yeah, people, see? Sugar cane, sugar cane. I finished cleaning sugar cane now. Yeah, man. Finished cleaning sugar cane. When you take these things away off it, let the cane grow fresh and nice. As you can see, I do these ones over here. Yeah, you take the strips off them. See? Yeah, man. Take the strips off them. Yeah, people, see them over there. Yeah. See, yeah. You got some up here. Just take some of this. Yeah. See that? We have a little one here too. Come on. Yes, my people, so we do ya. Shampoos the yard as I said. And I mean shampoos, I mean walk the yard. You want to see what's going on in your home, you know. You have to check your plants them. Check your things them, because it don't make sense to plant things and leave it to die. See, this we have a breadfruit tree. Breadfruit sucker. This is a small one. This is what the breadfruit suckers look like. Okay. Pull the bush up from around there. Bush is killing it, man. See? Breadfruit. So moving along, moving along, moving along. Moving along. Here we have a small ackee tree. Yeah, this ackee tree is very small. See? See here. The ackee. Yeah, we have ackees. Yeah. Ackee here, but they're not open as yet. They're not ready. So we're gonna leave them there. There we have breadfruit tree. That is a big one. See there? Breadfruit. Yeah. People, they have a lot of farming to do. And gungo trees, see what I'm talking about? They die. Don't have a lot of time. See, this is the gungo. Chai. No good. Rotten. See that? No good. Anyway, we're gonna put back some fresh one around. And here, this is Guinep. Who know Guinep? This is Guinep. See? They're not ready, they're small. So I can't eat none, let you see, right? Not ready, not ready. See, it's a big tree. See there? Big, 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 big tree. And they're looking beautiful too. See, they're in bunches like grapes. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, you know, I have a very big yard. This is a palm tree. That's a palm tree. See that? Yeah. What's popping? There's a soursop tree there. Yeah, man. This is what the soursop tree look like. Wow. See, yeah, so this is a soursop leaf. You can use it to make tea. There's no soursop on now. You can make good tea. You see this? This soursop leaf is good for nerves. So you boil the tea and you drink it. It's good for nerves. You know what's nerves? You hear it shaking like that? Yeah, you have to feed on this stuff. Yeah, man. There we have a lot of coconut tree up there. I ain't going up that shit, man. No. Alright. We have apples on the ground. You see what I'm talking about? A lot of things. See that? Apples spoiling, falling off the tree. See that? That's my neighbor. My neighbor over there. Yeah, man. This is my tree. See how tall it is? I ain't going up in that shit. I'd rather pay someone to go there. Yo! See that? See, there's my neighbor over there. Yeah, man. Working. This is the cub. I have a full cub. See? Yeah, you can see a little better. See, the things are in there. But I ain't gonna put in no more crap until this corona shit is gone. Because the market is very slow now, right? Don't make sense to go spend your money and you're not making it back. Okay? I'm gonna take a walk back up to my place, my other yard. This is, because this is the second yard. It's one big yard. As you can see, one big yard. Go right up. So I'm gonna show you. There's a mango tree there. It's very tall, man. I don't know why these trees have to grow so tall. But I don't want no one to be vexed with me. So see, this is a fine skin Yeah, this is a fine skin mango. Yeah man, fine skin mango. So I'm gonna wash one. I'm gonna eat one, let you see. See that? Yeah. I'm gonna eat that. Hold on a second, so see? Pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty sweet. But I'm not gonna eat the skin, alright? I'm gonna throw the skin away. Ooh, I think I have to drink water. I can't eat this thing, people. It's too sweet. So don't be upset with me, okay? Mango, too sweet. See? Very sweet. So I'm gonna throw that away. Yeah, we have a small apple tree growing. See that small apple tree? See the little branch in here? It's growing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on my way back up. I stopped to pick a mango. See? Pick a mango. Here we have a little dat. Show you that it's ripe. See? Mango. So we have some more there. Small ones. See that? Small ones. But gonna pick the big ones up to go heat them. Maybe make juice. As I said, I have a lot of mango. Don't know what I'm gonna do with so many mango. See? We have another one there. See that? Oh boy. Mango, mango, mango. See that? I have to go pick a few more around. Here we have another one. They've been falling off the tree. Yeah, see that? Yeah. Yes, my people. So I don't know, my people. Big up on yourself and one love. Keep safe, keep strong. Yeah, man, don't let bad mind people get you down. And I understand that. Yeah, man. That's the word from Elder Biggs. Yeah. This one is no good. So I'm going to put by that for the thing that's growing over there. You hear the fowl? Yeah, that's fowl. We call them fowl. Common fowl, right? Now we have another one here in the bush hiding. Yeah, this one look pretty good. So we're going to take that one now. See it in the paper. I'm going to put it right back here, so. With them one there, I understand. Yeah. I don't bring a bag because I didn't know that. I know that mango is ripening, but it's too much, man. See? Fowl cub over there. That's my neighbor yard. You know? You can see a lot of fowl. They're a game fowl. Yeah. Taking a walk back up. See? I'm coming from down there. Way down. So I'm going back up to my part of the yard. It's a family home, but you know, we share, we plant, and we do what we want to do. Can you see this? This is a cassava. I planted. It's just growing. We have another one here. We have some there. Yeah, man. Banana cheese. Coconut over there. Yeah, man. Taking a walk back up. Yeah, bushes. I soon get to clean you up, you know. The sun is pretty hot now. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing in the sun right now. The sun is so hot. So I'm gonna come and clean it. See? So when I clean it, everything is gonna be like there. Ready to plant when you see that. And I have to put some seeds aside to sow. Yeah. I also have some gungu here. See this? This is gungu. I plant them, so now they need to mold around it. But as I said, the sun is pretty hot. The sun make you want to do nothing, you know. Yeah, but still can't go sit around, you know. See that? They have some bush around them too, need to clean. Everything take time. So that's gungo plant. Yeah. Giving God children. Me stand. Oh, there I go. I have to get a bag. There's my brother-in-law picking up the mangoes. Yeah, bro. Take them here, man. See that? Yeah, my brother-in-law. Yeah, man. I don't know about some man still no people, but I love my brother-in-law, you know. That's me I say.
Oh,
yeah, man, I don't mean love, you know me like no gay thing, but you don't know. One love we deal with, you understand? So you see? He bring the mangoes for me. You see that? If he was a, I'm not gonna say that word. You know, if he was a, he wouldn't take those things. So you see? Moving around. We have a one sugar cane here, it's small. People, we have a lot of things, but you know, I need time to get to work. See, we have a sweet potato. Sweet potato slip. It's growing. Yeah. I reap a lot of sweet potato. And as I want to say, I don't know, I've been trying to shout out to him. I don't know what's going on there, but big up to the guy in Port Maria. Yeah, the guy in Port Maria, St. Mary, some shit like that. That's Sunrise. Yeah, Sunrise. Big up yourself, Sunrise. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. God, you see me? Yeah, man. Actually, I hear a channel me watch and know, so yo, Ella Big Stan get up and do him thing. You understand? So I ain't gonna be no bias and be no, you know what I mean? I've been shouting up you and you live and shit. I don't know what's going on. I don't see you hit me back up. But anyway, one love, you know the thing. I do peace, you know that? Yeah, man, I'm blessed up to Rasmoko said here. I haven't met him in real life, but you don't know. We are Jamaican and now we're not too far for we go, you understand? This is one cassava cheese, my people. See it? The thing that they used to make bammy. Yeah, man, this is cassava cheese. Get my paper. Yeah, man, it's some back up now from the farm. Aki cheese there. A lot of aki. Ja! One love. Yeah, man, so this is the outside kitchen. No? Yeah, man. Outside kitchen. Yes, my people. I know as I said the video ain't go on, my people. Yes, my people. Big up on yourself, you know, my people. Yes, man, one love, you know. There I said you my little shop, you understand? Yeah. I have a little shop. And I have a cook shop over here, this section here. See, that's the road. It's the main road. This is the cook shop. This is the grocery shop here. See that? Yeah. Glass case is all empty now. The lady need to go. My lady need to go to the wholesale. So you know, women have to fix themselves up and do what they have to do. You understand? Is the outside. You see that? Yeah. It's my cook shop. Yeah, man. Vibes it up, hot pot. Yeah, man. Yeah, we have a little flowers here. The goat come. Yes, bro, God. The goat then come and name them flowers, people. But don't know. Still I do what I have to do. You understand? Yeah, man. See it? See avenue this. Yeah, man. See avenue, my people. Beautiful, though. I tell you, the little shop and thing, you know. Yeah, man. So, people, one love, as I said, big up on yourself. That's my next name up there, people. See that? That says Finance. corner shop and bar. See? Yes, the people. We are roll out the Hot Wheels, my people. Yeah, my brother gonna start up the Hot Wheels. Yeah. I can ride too, you know. Yeah, man, I can ride too, but I don't like to ride those shit, man. The chopping part, man, I like my people. Find the wise live and die. Yes, Jah. And I stand up here, what I don't know. Culture music is the thing. Why I can't get problems to start, but they go and start, you know. Yeah, man. It has to start, man, in the name of Jesus. It has to start this morning. Yeah, man. Tell you. In the name of Jesus, you have to start, my people. See, people, I can ride that. Hold on. Yo. Hold on. See, people, I can ride this thing. The man looking good, huh, people? Yeah, man. We have this to move around, you know. Who wants a ride can come and get a ride. Yes, my people. Here's my little home, you know. My little music there. Family depending on me. So I'm checking out now, people, so you don't know one love. And if you don't like the video, you can comment me, let me know what's going on, said way. You understand? Nah, commitment is got a hold on me. Nah. Yo, blessing, you know. You safe on the road. Ride safely. And go pick up your helmet. Go on, go on. God go with you, bro. Yes, people. One love, you know?